Hey, I'm heading to my bank, which is Truist Bank, and it got me thinking about mortgages. Now, by the way, if you're keeping your money in a brick and mortar bank and earning 0.002%, you need to move that money to an online bank account offering 3 to 4%. But anyway, I digress. So now that home prices are higher than they've ever been, buyers are turning to the Federal Housing Administration loans, or the FHA loans as they're known. These government-backed mortgages are known for their more lenient borrowing requirements, such as lower credit scores and down payments as low as 3 or 4%. Now, in general, FHA loans should at least be considered as a mechanism to home ownership, whether you're a first-time buyer or just moving up. Now, some buyers, they don't want to put down a larger down payment. They could use that money to invest in the market. I, for one, am a little bit conservative, but if you can tolerate the risks, trust the financial markets, and you think you can make 10% on your money, why would you pay 7% in a mortgage and tie up that money that could be making you money? Hey, I'm Steve Kimos, a local realtor specializing in new construction here in beautiful Port St. Lucie, Florida. So when talking to customers, there are some myths about FHA loans. So let's take a look at some of these myths. So the first myth I want to talk about is that only buyers with bad credit apply for FHA loans. When in truth, people with credit scores as low as, 500 can apply for FHA loans, but people with great credit scores apply as well. The average score for an FHA borrower is 683, and 80% of those have credit scores of 6% or 600 or higher. Now, this is according to 2024 data from Ellie Mae, which is a software loan company. A second myth about FHA loans is that they come with a higher interest rate. The truth is, FHA loans offer competitive interest rates, sometimes better than conventional financing. Borrowers with higher credit scores or high down payments tend to qualify for some of the best FHA loan rates. So you need to be sure to explore both conventional and FHA loans, especially if you want less down payment. Now, a third myth is that FHA loans are currently just for first-time buyers, but that's far from the truth. First-time home buyers and moderate income households often use FHA loans, but a large quantity of FHA loans are used by repeat buyers. Now, a fourth myth is that FHA loans take a lot longer to close than conventional loans. The truth is, FHA loans and conventional loans close in about the same amount of time, which is 47 days. However, FHA loans might require more documentation than conventional seekers. Now, a fifth myth is that FHA loans can only be used for single-family home purchases, when actually FHA loans can be used to buy single-family houses, townhouses, manufactured home, HUD-approved condos, or even up to a 4-unit multifamily residence, as long as the owner lives in one of those 4 residences. Finally, the last myth is that FHA loans have income limits for all applicants. The truth is, FHA loans do not have any minimum or maximum income limits. Even high-income households can apply for and benefit from having a lower down payment. Now, the downside of an FHA loan is that you do have to pay mortgage insurance, which can drive up the price of a mortgage anywhere from $100 to $500 per month. That's something to keep in mind when making your decision on whether to go conventional or FHA. Well, I hope this information has got you thinking whether you want to consider an FHA loan on your next home purchase. I do want to say that we work with a great lender in Brett Starks of Unitas Lending, who I've personally seen bend over backwards to do everything he can so a family can make a successful home purchase. So heading back to the car. If you want to talk about loans, in particular FHA loans, contact me. My information is here on the screen and in the description below. And by the way, I don't claim to be a total mortgage expert, but as I said, we certainly can get you in contact with folks that are. And federal law doesn't allow realtors to take a kickback. So most realtors are just giving you as many options and want you to have all the options open so you make the best choice when it comes to financing and buying your new home. So I hope to hear from you soon. Until the next video, bye.